Right, pleasant good day everyone. Today we have an interesting one. This system is rather complicated. I met three different systems, two in use, one that is no longer in existence. And right now I have to make sense of what is going on with the cabling. I have to just strip everything down, pull the cabling, separate it, trace, test, tune, tag, and then build everything back up from scratch, get it to work. Then comes the fun part of getting to connect to the owner's mobile devices and get a functional system working where there's presently not one or a very dysfunctional one. Alright, so stay tuned. Alright, today's work entails taking two, not one, two camera systems from out of the roof there, where they were previously housed, decommissioning cabling for a system that is no longer in existence, and sorting out the IP and HD side of this mess of wires here. And right now we're in the process of trace and tagging basically. So we're just tracing the wires, we'll tag them with either HD and with HD connections. These are the ends that the client used previously. And we're just going to trace these back, get all the cameras that are HD connected by the HD connectors after we trace them, and then we'll do some testing, and then hopefully we can reconnect them to this DVR. Obviously they're going to have to get a proper hard drive, and from the time we get this to work, then we can focus on the IP side of things, which is the other NVR here with switch. So to get this job done, I'm using my tester here. This traces digitally, so it gives me a more accurate tracing, less bleed over like with the analog testers and tracers. I'll do a video on this particular one coming shortly. Well, this one is testing the HD wires, so I'm tracing this back to one of the wires. So what I did, they terminated like a regular Ethernet cable and used these Ethernet to HD balance, and they got connection via those means. So we're just tracing them, finding them, testing them, and making sure that everything is working, and then we're going to reconnect the system.
Right, once we have reconnected the system, we found these four cameras using the SADP tool. And once we found them, we added them to the system via their various IP addresses. And then we got these cameras to show up on the system, and they were able to be added and incorporated into the phone app as well. So all in all, a job well done, and everything now works as it should. So if you like this video and you want to see more content like this, you can subscribe to our channel, watch us on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or you can reach out to us via different contact mediums that you see here on your screen. So thank you for your time, and this has been Damien from FixWinPC, and enjoy your day and see you on the next one.